Hello, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of gaming emulation with a special focus on Yuzu, an incredibly popular emulator that's making waves by bringing Nintendo Switch games to your Android devices. Stick around as we explore how Yuzu is changing the game, its features, and how you can get started. Yuzu is a free and open-source emulator that allows you to play your favorite Nintendo Switch games on other platforms, including Android. Developed by the creators of the Citra 3DS emulator, Yuzu has been a game-changer in the world of emulation, providing gamers with access to a vast library of Switch games without the need for the console itself. While Yuzu was initially designed for desktop platforms, the demand for mobile gaming experiences has led to the development of unofficial Yuzu ports for Android. This means you can now play games like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, or Super Mario Odyssey right on your smartphone or tablet, bringing unparalleled gaming experiences to the palm of your hand. Yuzu for Android comes packed with features that enhance your gaming experience. From high-resolution graphics to customizable controls and performance optimizations, Yuzu brings the best of Nintendo Switch gaming to your Android device. Plus, it supports external controllers, so you can play your games just the way you like. Setting up Yuzu on your Android device is straightforward. You'll need to download the Yuzu APK from a reliable source and follow the instructions to install it. Remember, you'll also need legally obtained game files to play. We'll guide you through the installation process, settings optimization, and how to load your games. Emulating Switch games on Android comes with its set of challenges, including performance requirements and compatibility issues. We'll discuss how to overcome these obstacles and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Plus, we'll touch on the importance of using Yuzu responsibly and legally. Yuzu Android has opened up a new world of gaming possibilities, making it easier than ever to enjoy Nintendo Switch games on the go. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to emulation, Yuzu offers an exciting way to play your favorite games with flexibility and ease. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and gaming tips. Happy gaming!